So alright guys, the iPhone 17 leaks just went wild, and trust me, this is not your average blurry render or sketchy rumor. What we've got here are real hardware parts, actual leaked components, and on top of that, a sneak peek at the phones themselves in brand new colors. Yeah, you heard that right, the iPhone 17 Pro has been spotted in a bold orange and a deep blue. We're not just talking rumors, we're seeing the phones and the parts side by side, which makes this feel a whole lot more legit than your typical supply chain chatter. Let's talk colors first, because this is what everyone's freaking out about. Apple is finally shaking things up. Gone are the days of just muted tones and safe choices. Instead, the iPhone 17 Pro has shown up in bright orange and sleek blue. And honestly, they look like some of the most exciting finishes Apple's ever done. The leaks also show USB-C flex cables in the exact same shades, orange, blue, green, and black. Which means Apple is finally giving us color-matched USB-C ports. For the first time ever, the inside of the charging port will match the actual color of your phone. It's such a small detail, but man, it makes the design look clean, premium, and intentional. Remember, Apple only switched to USB-C with the iPhone 15. Now with the iPhone 17, they're already refining it and turning the port into a design feature instead of just a boring connector. And here's the part that really makes this leak stand out: the camera button. Yup, the leaked parts show slim, elongated buttons in multiple colors, and all signs point to this being a dedicated shutter button. Here's the kicker: these aren't just CAD renders or concept art. We're seeing the actual parts for the iPhone 17 Pro, the Pro Max, and even the rumored iPhone 17 Air. This feels like production-ready hardware, not some random prototype. So here's the takeaway: the iPhone 17 Pro is shaping up to be one of the boldest iPhones we've seen in years. And with the launch happening tomorrow, these parts only confirm that Apple's next flagship is fully ready for prime time. The hype for the iPhone 17 just went through the roof. So what do you guys think about the upcoming iPhone 17 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.